That's Rebelle. You want to give a quick introduction for this track real quick?
I don't know which one you have.
Stop it.
Yes. Well, I don't know which version you have.
There's multi-version. This is the clean version.
Well, you got the clean version, so
it's
that's
the clean
definitely, yeah, man. Stop it on the Married to the Music project. The video was crazy. We did the remix with Fred the Godson. It was
Rebelle. Slow down. Slow down.
I remember when Godson first started.
Yeah, man.
Wow.
He's the barbarian.
We're not back yet, though.
That's Rebelle.
Before you drop
slow
that.
down.
We doing stop, but I have to hurry up and stop it. Stop it on the Married to the Music project, man.
You know that dude that goes. That's Dutch Rebelle, huh?
They're not back.
It is.
Okay.
There's that delay.
Okay.
Yeah. So anyway, no, we good.
We good.
Anyway, go ahead and talk about that track, Dutch.
Well, it was on the Married to the Music project. We did the remix with Fred the Godson, so that was definitely a dope record. That was really just about, I mean, Stop is kind of like a what you like thing. It's just calling people out on the silliness, and it's started to be made fun of sometimes. Sometimes you're funny. So that's pretty much the whole feel of the record. People trying to, fill up, everybody drinking off the same champagne bottle, trying to flex in the club, like that whole thing. It's pretty much a feel-good record. It's just telling you to chill out, pause it, stop it.
Pause it.
Relax.
Hey, Bapu.
Relax.
For you.
Oh, man. Yeah. Oh, no way.
See, since Rebel's family, I'm not going to say that the Dutch Rebel's family. I ain't going to say that. I ain't going to put you out there. He be after the fool.
Oh, you got me for a while.
That's what I do. So this joint right here is called Stop It. Dutch Rebelle, man. Keep it locked right here. Hot World Radio. I need love, man. Big it up.
This music got me groovy. Mike Myers in that movie. I'm with a dude cooler than papayas in a smoothie. We can do whatever. I try not to be choosy. We should try this loud. I hear that it's a doozy, not a floozy. But I like to show a little skin. No, we can get it on, but we sure can get it in. Headed to a chill spot, blowing smoke into the wind. Don't know who's working the door, but I can call a couple friends and we in. He likes the way I do my little spin. Says there ain't a limit to the dough that we can spend. And he ain't my man. Tonight we can pretend, cause I like the fact he likes me in a Civic or a Benz. And oh, she's the ex, oh, I heard about her ass. Bitter ain't nobody said a word about her ass. We all in here bent like a curler on her leg. I heard she in that parking lot, hurling on her dad. He twirling all this cash all around us like a cyclone. And we just showing off till they turn these lights on. And I ain't shutting up till they turn these mics on. Your favorites,
this is my song.
These are my bars, this is my swag. Get your own smoke, I got my own bag. Cause all I got for bitter position is a toe tag. Tell them dead that, now chill, why you so mad? Why you mad at me? I know you wanted him, but he wanna leave with me. Said he wanna leave with me. He said he wanna leave with me. Girl, stop it. Why you mad at me? I know you wanted him, but he wanna leave with me. Said he wanna leave with me.
Why you mad? Why you turning beef red? Why you trying to blame me for something that
Matter
you
with these
said?
girls, they acting like some fiends. Out here chasing dudes while I'm out here chasing dreams. He say that he don't want you, why you ask him what it means? True colors got you chewed up, jelly beans. To me it appears, you ain't too appealing. You seen them in my ear, you almost hit the ceiling. What's without a heat when we only in here chilling? Wanna change his mind, but can't change the way he feeling. So try to understand exactly who I am. Houdini, when you see me, turn a hater to a fan. Gotta keep it G, cause I rep the gritty glam. Wanna stop my flow, you gon' need a Hoover dam. I can make a sucker scram, chop a chicken too. Beauty on the stage and a beast in the stew. You out here getting wild, wanna take it to the zoo. You ain't no one from the jungle, homie, you can get it too.
Girl, stop it.
Why you mad at me? I know you wanted him, but he wanna leave with me. Said he wanna leave with me. He said he wanna leave with me. Girl, stop it. Why you mad at me? I know you wanted him, but he wanna leave with me. Said he wanna leave with me.
Why you mad? Why you turning beef red? Why you trying to blame me for something that he said?
Big up, shut the lip up. Put my bottles in the air, then I sip up. Better learn the ropes if you're trying to come skip up. Call me double Dutch, see I'm never gon' trip up. See I'ma wind my hip up, and I'ma do my dance. Buffalo soldier in a buffalo stand. She on his weed like them ladies in France. I don't say a word, I just give them one one glance. Now we in the trance. Ooh, I think he likes it. Far from a tool, but he got me in a vice grip. Deep, no pool. Plus I'm cooler than an ice chip. Left hand high, other hand is on my right hip. Singing out, me's a girl, we na fight over mana. While I whine on this fine Jamaicana, I tell her poof, disappear my Jashana. Smile, chuck a deuce, then I'm gone. Why you mad at me? I know you wanted him, but he wanna leave with me. Said he wanna leave with me. He said he wanna leave with me. Girl, stop it. Why you mad at me? I know you wanted him, but he wanna leave with me. Said he wanna leave with me.
Why you mad? Why you turning big red? How you tryna blame me for something that he said?
That's right. Spécialement mesdames yo.
Let them know.
So y'all know what I'm talking about here.
Let them know.
Check it out.
Nous n'a téléphone toute la journée. Des fois les n'a dormi 4h du matin. Faut me chercher ou faut me déposer.
Les nous pralés l'école ou bien pral non molle. Nous fait tout beau, comme petit morceau. Malgré quelques amis qu'on j'en arrive loin. Qui ça dit? Continue pour qu'on aime.
Mambo Bessia.
Hey yo, that ain't right.
Mambo Bessia. C'est pas normal. C'est pas normal. Mambo Bessia. Mambo Bessia. Mambo Bessia. Pas normal. C'est pas normal. Mambo Bessia.
Woy woy, si vous voulez la game, pour qui vous gagnez. Moi tellement aimé, on fait de l'eau saute longer. If you don't love me, don't bother. I ain't trying to make a long story longer. Coup et l'autre fille ou fait jalousie. C'est pendant l'emblée à l'kiloué. She says what? Ou tu nous pas qu'on aime. Hey!
Mambo Bessia.
Oh!
Mambo Bessia.
Pas normal.
C'est pas normal. Mambo Bessia. Mambo Bessia.
No, no, no.
Mambo Bessia.
Pas normal.
C'est pas normal.
Yeah!
You wanna have a good time tonight? You wanna feel your mind?
Baby, nan moment ça, c'est soit on veut ou veut pas. Parce que bagay c'est bien et moi pas guetter pour jouer sous bagay avec tout le monde. Allez vous faire sucrer dans un verre d'eau salé. Classy this baby. As you college, let's go. Check it out, say K-L-A-S-S. Woo, let's go. Yes, right. Let's go. Boy, chaque fan d'amis, j'ai ouvert les dos. Chaque matin, l'aime lever, ouvrir pour moi beau. Pourtant, l'aime dans la ligne, pas qu'on malin sous peau. Aïe aïe, chaque fan d'amis, j'ai oublié mes dos. Les matins levés, ou dit fuck moi bobo. Pourtant l'aime dans la rime, tant qu'on malin sous peau. C'est hey. Chérie, lit pas normal. C'est non. Chaque fan d'amis, j'ai oublié mes dos. Les matins levés, ou dit j'aime mon bobo. Pourtant l'aime dans la rime, tant qu'on malin sous peau. Chaque fan d'amis, j'ai oublié mes dos. Les matins levés, ou dit fuck moi bobo. Autant l'aime dans la rue, supermarket. Polo group. Changez ça.
Yeah. Boy.
Mike, I'm gonna just get J-Rock on you.
Yeah. I need love nigga legit.
Yeah, because
I
you
need
know,
love
got
nigga
these
legit.
mics not working. I gotta call the big other boss. Let me stop. So, Dutch and Tanya, before you guys head out, can we talk a little bit about what's the next steps for you guys? Where you guys see yourselves, y'all goals before we head out?
Yeah, I mean, I'm definitely very excited, of course, for the weekend, of course. I'm actually nominated for a Boston Music Awards, so I'll be performing December 9th at the Sinclair for the Boston Music Awards. A couple of local events going on. Well, I should say university shows coming up, too, for the month, so I'm doing my local run for Kiss Kiss. Back in the studio, so, of course, more visuals, more music, and more countries and cities and states and all of that. But yeah, Dutch Rebelle FN on the Twitter. Like I said, everybody just holler at me. Text me 617-860-3557. Again, you can text me 617-860-3557. For everything else, DutchRebelle.com.
DutchRebelle.com. Well, what about you, Miss Tanya?
I'm going to continue to push internal reconstruction. Probably going to drop a video for another song soon. Also shot by Saba Films. Do a few more shows. Get back in the studio, write, record. Probably going to start doing more Zouk.
Yeah.
Because I haven't in a while. And
Whoop, whoop.
a lot of my supporters overseas are kind of mad at me for that. So I'm going to try to jump back into that. But I'm going to just keep putting music out, keep performing. My social media is sing2me Tanya, Tania. It looks like Tania, but it's Tanya, I promise.
It's funny. I thought it was Tania. I ain't gonna lie.
What? Yeah.
I immediately said Tanya.
I said Tania. No, I did. I said Tania.
Yeah. So yeah. Hit me up on social media.
So you guys heard that. Make sure sing to me Tanya. That's catchy. Easy to remember, and of course, DutchRebelle.com. Again, make sure that you guys come out this Saturday to the Benefit Mixer, Benefit Mixer at City Limits.
It's going to be so much fun. She can't even talk.
For real, man. Y'all don't even know the conversations off air. That's why I'm so hyped. But hosted by Young Vocal, performances by these two lovely ladies, and more. Sounds by Takeover Sounds, Trendsetter, DJ Viper. It's $20, and all the proceeds go to the student of Correcto. Did I say that right?
Sure did.
All right. I had to make sure I said that right, Correcto. It's December 5th. Again, it's going to be a lot of stuff. Free food when you come through that door. Live music, full bar, live art, hookah lounge, game room. Final touches, dropping a hefty donation I heard that day. Yeah. So, you know, it's going to be good. Hot War Radio will be in the building. So y'all make sure that y'all get to
And
this
y'all
event.
doing giveaways. It's lit.
Yes, we definitely are doing some ticket giveaways. Matter of fact, we're going to give one away in a few minutes to our next caller after a couple of tracks. But ladies, before you guys step out, we just want to take the time to thank you guys for coming into Kompa Xtreme Hot World Radio and for being part of this family. Just know that y'all not strangers. So whenever y'all got records, y'all need something, please make sure y'all stop through. Y'all know we're on Tuesdays live at the studio, so y'all can just stop through and say, hey, I got a new track, son, and I need this to be pushed. And it'll happen. So just make sure that you do that. Okay.
Y'all.
All right. That's how we like it. Again, this Saturday, make sure you get that. And also make sure you guys check out the mission, the school, www.koreketho.org. Let your family know, let your grandmamas, grandfathers, step-grandmothers, all of the people, in-laws, just let everybody know about the event and how they can donate on site. It's definitely a good cause. Support them. I can't stress that enough. Also, make sure y'all stay tuned onto our social media. We'll be pushing it as well.
Yeah. Aniba Debarros from Dilano.
Man, listen, that's
You just
what you
let
gotta
out a
do.
mouthful right there.
You gotta do it. You gotta do it.
You know what I'm
gotta do
saying?
it. You gotta let the people know.
So, ladies, before you step out, you guys have any last words, any last shout outs?
Saturday.
I wanna say the French that I know. À tout à l'heure.
À tout à l'heure.
Let's go. I'm gonna say the little CV, the little Cape Verdean Creole I know. Como Bonomi.
What does Kompa Xtreme mean?
I'm not sure. I think it has to do with what's my name or what's your
Hey, you heard it
We
first.
international.
You heard it
go.
first from these two ladies again. Saturday. City limits. 326 North Main Street. Be there. 9 p.m.
Elevate, right?
Now, actually, the venue's so happy and excited about it. They said if they show up at 7, 8 o'clock, that's all good too.
So go ahead. Just come when you feel like it. Go
Oh,
ahead.
and of course, before I get killed, shout out to Chef Kurt.
Okay.
Shout out to Chef Kurt over there at City Limits. Make sure that y'all get this to him and make sure everybody at City Limits heard that. We said shout out to Chef Kurt. He's going to help us out, do some crazy things. We got some things planning for the future, actually, in February. So shout out to Hot World Radio. Let us know if y'all trying to get in on that. Yeah.
Alrighty.
Alright. So this next track we're gonna jump into is actually one of Tanya's track. I heard this one is one of their favorites. So we got to play it. You know what I'm saying? Tanya, do you wanna introduce this one right here, babe?
This one's called Sorry. I messed up in a relationship. And
Oh man. You
I
done
mean,
messed
I
up,
don't
didn't
really
you?
do that in real life. It was
Yeah, right. Yeah, right.
Yeah, this is Dutch's favorite song. It's my favorite.
Well, let's just drop it.
We're gonna jump into it. Sorry, by yeah, this one is Sorry by Tanya. Keep it locked right here, man. Kompa Xtreme, baby. Yeah. I'm sorry to all everybody. Everybody, I am so sorry. Man. Keep it locked, man. Keep it locked.
Picture so familiar, a scene we're tired of. With all this fuss and fighting, it seems we
ti putus kursi womya Passez même beaucoup pendant ma beau sous bouche Fatigué en content Assoyez avant prendre Tout semblait Assoyez c'est où Femme qu'on est Ma parole jonglée Tout semblait Assoyez c'est où Femme qu'on est Ma parole jonglée Baby, I know that tonight will probably be the last time that you see me for a while. Don't care where it's going down. All I want is for you to be with me one more night. All I want is you one more night. Just let me know I'll give it to you. All I want is you one more night. Just let me know I'll give it to you. Chérie, d'une côté, ma parole, j'en vais faire. La nuit, toute la journée, pas fatigué. Ça me plaisait. I swear, all I want is you tonight. Just for a quick game. Just for a quick game. It doesn't have to be all night, 'cause I don't need a lot of time. Just for a quick game.
Nous 3 ans depuis nous bel moment, vieux misère. Baby, it's okay, we in this together every day. Nous passer un pile, oui c'est vrai. Histoire nous charger, but I'm here to stay. Doesn't matter what they got to say. trop content. I don't care what anybody has to say. Me and you will never separate. No, 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 no. Ça va qu'arriver, l'amour va pécher, l'amour va pécher, baby, l'amour va pécher, l'amour va pécher, l'amour va pécher. Hermano, we did it again. And you see, international. Et puis, mettez-moi sous ça. Yo m'aide parler tout ça, yo vle. L'amour pas péché. Yo pas besoin de suspendre critiquer. L'amour pas péché. Yo m'aide craser, yo m'aide briser. L'amour pas péché. Chérie, nous pas jamais séparer.
Ou fè mwen plezi, chake ou mache fè tout san ki nan kom tresayi. Ou fè mwen ve devanse al menon wè tout peyi. Rit nan pyo tan kouyon sen admire matin, midi, soir. Fason ou le bouchou kon sa. E jan kouye tiren ou le wap danse kompa. Si ou m tro vulge chéri, eskize-moi. Se imaginasyon mwen ka fè pale kon sa.
Baby, lève chan ma chéri, lève chan pale. Fè tout kom vibre, 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 vibre. Les méchants ma chérie, les méchants balais. Fais tout comme vibrer, 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 vibrer.
Do 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 do, apè fè mwen d'amour. M'an vire te kole sou ti ko ou tan kou tatou. Glorifiye tout gen cheve ki sou ti ko ou chak jou. Paske pote ou toujou brille tan kou se bijou. Bling, bling, tan kon étoile. Mwen san de hach kon rap blanc ki vin ak tout voile. Fortounen madaman mwen tout bien mwen se pa. Paske jan organize ti jibou an fèm di waw, waw, waw.
I gotta tell you you're a murderer. Ooh, tell my best chérie, can I be a lover? Excuse me, gotta say that you are burning up. Mommy, 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 can I have your number? Hey, miss, I gotta say that you a murderer. Ooh, tell my best chérie, can I be a lover? Excuse me, gotta say that you are burning up. Mommy, 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 can I have your number? Drop the groove.
one man.
You make me lose control. Baby, you make me lose control.
Vilks. You got me going out of my mind, and I don't mind, girl. I'm trying to make you mine.
Baby, you drive me crazy, crazy, crazy.
You got me going out of my mind. Isa punta pa, luka pa vini man.
Baby, you make me lose control.
Yeah. Identity. Oswald. Dansez, dansez. Dansez, dansez. Dansez, dansez.
Baby, you make me lose control.
Club Basilique présente vendredi 18 décembre 2015 dès 8h du soir jusqu'à 1h du matin. L'artiste qui crée la sensation de nos jours, Rocher de 5 étoiles à City Limit 326 North Main Street Randolph. Admission $20. Pour information 617 504 17 23 617 470 19 12. Musique par DJ Lovamix et yon guest DJ Kablato. Soirée à host par C-Woolsey. Retenez bien la date, vendredi 18 décembre 2015. 8h du soir jusqu'à 1h du matin. Artiste Rocher, le 5 étoiles. Attention, 21 ans ou plus. Prends ticket au Dépicounia. Vin supporter Club Basilique. Vin amuser au bien vendredi 18 décembre 2015. Avec artiste Rocher de 5 étoiles.
Yes, 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 it's Miss Annie. Check me live on Tuesdays at 8 p.m. on Hot World Radio. Kompa Xtreme with my man, DJ Final Touch.
It's a brand new one, y'all. Everybody say, let's go.
Yo, c'est Roberto Martino, chef Révolution, Vice Touté à Kaptou. Wakande Annie Love. Annie Love avec Final Touch. Final Touch. Touch. No. Well, do it, yo. Well. Die, move.
Yes. Annie Love.
Of course.
Final Touch.
Epi Nulawi.
Not toujours là.
So, like we just...
Supakapala, Tibapa, Apanamera.
Yeah, c'était Boza Bedo. Anyways.
Big up Roberto, man. Before you go into anything, we'd like to give a big shout out to Roberto Martino of T-Vice for doing this drop for us. You know what I'm saying? Enough respect. Annie.
Anyways, we're gonna just talk a little bit about, the stuff that's going on this weekend. Saturday, once again, make sure you guys go out to City Limits. It's going to be a nice event, the Elevate Benefit Mixer. They gave us a little bit of secrets that we can't let out, but definitely going to be a good show. So make sure you guys go out there. It's 326 North Main Street in Randolph, Mass. It's going to be Saturday, December 5th. Okay. We also have, I believe we have Club Basilique Friday night. Or was it Saturday night? I can't remember. But I'll come back to that. Right after this show, we have DJ J Rock that's dropping the 1s and 2s on Hot World Radio Buzz. Mm-hmm. So make sure you guys just stay locked. Just keep it on. Keep the app on because he's coming right after us. So
J Rock.
Final Touch we can't go over. We also got the Fire Starter Show that comes on every Thursday night, 8 to 10. I'm telling y'all, listen, if y'all don't have the app, y'all need to have the app. Put the app on your phone when you're driving, when you're going out. Bump to some music. Fire keeps it hot and keeps it going. Don't forget, again, we have our shows that come on every day. Monday through Friday, we have DJ Vic Smoker.
Vic Smoker.
Yes, from 5 to 7.
Traffic blocking.
Traffic blocking. Yeah, we definitely got that. We also have Island Fire.
Island Fire.
That's on Wednesday through Saturday.
DJ Marky B, big up yourself representing Barbados.
Go. We also have Prince Noble, who has
Prince
this
Nobel.
Can You Relate? It's a candid conversation about relationship matters. So make sure y'all stay tuned. He has some special things that he's working on and that he's doing. So that show is definitely growing. Yeah. Make sure that y'all go onto the Facebook and like the Can You Relate group. Make sure y'all get on the Firestarter Show group as well. Just type those in, you will find them. If you can't find them, hit up anybody that has a Hot War Radio flyer on there that's been shared, any of the Team Umwe members, and we should be able to direct you to the Firestarter Show group.
Big up Team Umwe.
Of course, you know that's family. And also, we have a new show that's starting.
Yeah.
Yeah, you want to tell everybody a little bit about it with DJ Bless?
It's called What's Hot.
What's cold?
What's hot?
What's not hot?
What's hot and what's not hot?
I need to do what's not hot. DJ Bless, you know what's not hot? On the holiday mix, when you talked about touching my, I don't know what that was, that's not hot. So if we could definitely do a blooper, let's had a blooper. So yo, that's a section that we need to do on air. What's not hot? And expose it.
Let's not get into that, shall we not?
Oh, because it's about you, the Tinkerbell boys.
because that was a blooper.
Yeah, that's my next show. What's not hot?
On Bless's part, you know what I mean, and I gotta pay the price. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, so check them out, man. Starting next week, next Wednesday, from 8 to 10 p.m. Hosted by Bless and A-List Chem. A-List Chem.
Pagin B-List?
Pagin B-List, Pagin C-List. If you're not on the A-List, you ain't on no list. Oh. I like that. I kind of like that a little bit. I'm going to use that for myself. If you're not on the touch list, there's no touch. But,
don't start saying touch. You already know what happened last time you said that?
Man.
Kite bang sound cool.
Tade, I need love kite bang pour my touch me na de. Hey, foot. Eh. Yeah, man. So anyway, let's talk about the weekend for a little bit, man. This past weekend, yo.
You know, we had a chance to go out to Jakku and class, and I'm gonna start off and saying like that was a definite good, nice little event. I think for me, what stuck out the most was class, because class was different. Like they actually did a show. It wasn't just singing. It wasn't just the musicians. They actually put on a show. They had you engaged. So like even if you wanted to go step out and get a drink, you didn't want to because you didn't want to miss something. So I definitely had a great time at that event.
Yeah, it was a good show. Bon do ça bagay moi ça fait me play mes show c'est que premièrement moi with Jakku like what we saw Jakku like a couple weeks ago.
Yeah.
Nous with Jakku like recently. No show était comme d'adou c'était comme d'adou nous pas commémorer Jakku même. It was like a whole new show, comprendre? Et so m'apprécier ça en pile. Et pas tout comme d'adou dans le show I been dit Ket next time nous performer déjà. It was like a lot brand new show, which was good. Class, I haven't seen Class live. On seule fois moi Class live était pendant m'étais à Haïti une fois. Et m'étais juste derrière net, m'bat même bien ouais, même m'bat net dans zième. Bat même ouais nèg bien même. Et puis t'es comme bon notre bail qui t'a fait tout, so m'bat même tellement ouais show. But Class déposé. Yo déposé man. Jakku deposit too, don't get me wrong. Jakku deposit too.
Of course.
But you already know that, you know what I'm saying?
You expect that.
But ça me met c'est que tout le de jazz yo connaît que chaque lot jazz a frappé. You want with no mercy. You want so you chaque make sure que show you baila. You make sure you chaque déposer et you tout le de successfully la gueule you mette pour nous. Show te bien paraître, bien fait. You comprends? So big up. Et nous te pour moun qui pas wè show qui vle wè quelques footage dans show, sin aller dans YouTube. Et puis do a search for Hot World Radio.
Hot World Radio.
N'a wè des séries de show. N'a wè m'boko mette tout non, but m'poster des trois footage from Jakut in class. Et puis nous gain quelques footage tout pour T-Vice là tout qui était fait samedi soir.
But that was definitely an experience, yo. The one thing that
Yes.
always stays true to T-Vice, no matter, like I've seen them so many times, but they always put on a show.
It's
Not
like
only
a-
do they
it's
put
like
on
a
a
show
show,
that it's like a
it's
brand new show.
entertaining. They
Yes.
engage with the crowd. They kind of, like, I felt like, yeah, I was on stage with them. You know what I mean? Like, you didn't feel like you was not, like you was part watching them. You were on stage with them. So definitely love that performance.
Bon, m'de manque pas di ani an da.
Let's not talk parce que ça arrivé, viré, ça soit mon cap taper him the shoulder. I'm like, who's tapping me on my shoulder? I'm trying to enjoy this thing. Let me in with gros de, madame, qui permet your collègue for sandwich. You tell my collègue même petite tête, li seulement moi pas un col même. OK? You tell me que yon li pi wo passer sur tout derrière, tout bagarre figure. Et puis monsieur c'était la taper. C'est ça qui fait le mal à Jody, hein? Il était tellement dans bout femme yo. C'est ça qui fait le mal à Jody.
Ou tan de Ani Love. Si d'ap koute Ani Love, that bon problem, that be the problem, oui.
Oh man, you were a mess.
I was minding my own business.
Tap moi pour herself. Bob say vous
Te gen dego mesdames bon côté nous, hein. Qui tap go all out pour T-Vice.
Et pas pour T-Vice, non. Depuis yo Final Love, you commencé à aller pour Final Love. Final Love, Final Touch.
Et puis pendant ce temps tout, gon nouveau partenaire dans groupe T-Vice là, mon qui spécial m'a kon nom ici. But nous manquait pas dit Ani Love. Parce que partenaire ça saute quand elle sorti là gon gouillade sur stage là. Là gon sel gon gouillade.
Bye menti même ou même cap bye menti amré.
Ani Love dit cat man qui est si partenaire ça mais manqué faire péché à soir là.
C'est vérité.
C'est chrétienne moi manqué faire péché à soir. So
any ladies that was at that night and saw that, I'm ready. Just gonna okay. I definitely, usually I go, I enjoy the music, and that's it. But that right there, oh my God.
That was good though. It was a good show. It was a good show. I liked it. Well, boy, so big up Negio, big up T-Vice, well, boy, big up Jakut, big up Class. It was a good week.
A good weekend.
Well, boy. Bon, te gen show qui te cancel pour Thanksgiving jour. Nous connaissons te gen fait des même 3, 4, 5 balles qui te supposé fait dans week dans jeudi Thanksgiving day. But gen te cancel. Et pas yani. Oui, gen te cancel et parce que pas de assez ticket te vendre whatever ça te comprendre. So moun qui pas de geta aller yo qui te perdu, I am sorry for you. But moun yo te offre ticket back, no refund. Et puis que yo te ban moun yo option pour yo te caler dans classe avec Jakut là, which I thought was nice.
You still gotta pay $10 extra.
You have to pay $10 extra, but still. Te gon Karimi avec nous look tout,
sold out.
Il te pack. Classe là te pack. Et Karimi nous look là te pack tout.
T-Vice te pack.
Bon, on question besoin de haïtien yo et tout temps de haïtien a dit yo book.
Pas semaine ça.
Ah, c'est ça de what book. Non, regarde quelques bon bonus dans bouda nous parce que haïtien fait quinquin. Chaque balle qui nous passe haïtien fait quinquin, nous fait la pli so nous pas book. Et
yo, vous connaissez yo tellement spend money. Yo tellement spend the T-Vice. I also be bad for me. We can't take it.
Bah fermé à 11h m'entendez? Il va même quitter bar ouvert jusqu'à 1h même. But it was good, man. It was good. Kompa Xtreme là on est fantastique représenter. Pas oublier pour nous checker YouTube là et allons YouTube search for Hot World Radio et puis subscribe to YouTube channel Hot World Radio là.
So, next week on Kompa Xtreme, nous allons on les sexy beef, Cap Vini. Nous pas laguer track tout à l'heure avant aller, but you know, nous te mettre préparer pour nous laguer. Nous allons track yo les Haitian quick, so sexy beef avec GU. Jiu men talented singer. Yap nan studio a. Nou ka gen lot moun ka pase tou. So you guys make sure that you stay tuned. Toujou gon surprise pou nou. Okay? So, apre nou fin la get track, Haitian Queen nan, nap tourne back. Nap just ba a special announcement.
Yeah.
Apre sa nap fini pou jounen paske ou konen DJ J-Rock toto makout la ap ton nou. So, kon prepare nou gen 7 minutes. So, la gen track la, nap tourne tala epi nap fini, okay?
Yes.
Ooh, Lord, yeah.
Sexy beat. You know what it is. Haitian Queen.
Ou te konsoley, lò bak kote mse ou kler chimem. Lò kembe mem, ou marche aveman veriti ma penye. Se kom se fe kremen, telman d'amou, si fam sa. Ou se melozi an mwen, ou se baton vieyes an mwen.
Che ou te met ou machem pou, fò magon nan son le chou, map toujou leve piwo.
Baby,
te met yo fam an me geto, ou bi an fam ki so dan ou, an verite se un pito.
Sweet as
you are my Haitian queen.
Yeah, yeah.
Have a baby.
Malgré tout ça qui t'arrive, avec ou m'a toujours été soudé. Say you are
my Haitian queen.
No, no.
Have a baby.
Yeah, yeah.
Malgré tout ça qui t'arrive, les mots ça va te me déguiser.
Ooh, love, yeah. Ou sans pareil, non j'aime ou son modèle, yeah. Exceptionnel, non chez moi toujours et tu m'éveilles. Parfois me considère mon blessant, parfois me considère mon qui pas bon. Chez où c'est bateau pour me combattre avec la vie.
Chez où te mettre au machin pour faire ma gonne dans soleil chaud, m'a toujours levé au biwo.
Baby,
te mettre une femme en ghetto ou bien une femme qui sont dans haut, en vérité c'est un pito. You are my Haitian queen.
No, no.
Have a baby.
Have a baby.
Avec moi toujours été soudé.
Chérie, au moins. No, 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 no.
Have a baby. Malgré tout ça qui t'arrive, l'amour ça va te me déguiser.
Chérie, you my queen, baby. Sexy beef. Abondamo. Et puis changer. Kompa. Alors, même si m'a marié avant chérie, il t'en faut qu'un bon bail. Sweetie, you feel me? Mon verti bobo,
Gossa,
caresser tout corps,
Gossa,
mais non côté ou pas j'aime de aller.
Gossa, Gossa,
mon verti bobo,
Gossa,
caresser tout corps.
Right, so in January, Hot War Radio will be celebrating their anniversary, one of their anniversaries. So, you know, Hot War Radio is going to put together a show, and we have a special guest that will be joining us this year in 2016 to start off the Hot War Radio Hot. So, final touch. Go ahead and drop the track. Let them know who it is.
This track right here.
So, Mr. Alan Carver will be in the building on Saturday, June 9th at City Limits. Save the date.
Did you say June 9th? You said June 9th.
Let's do January 9th. January 9th. I'm still thinking about how messed up Bless did that. That's what it was. So Because I'm like, yo, really? Who says somebody touch somebody else's stuff on air? I just don't get it. Man, salté notre tête. Quel est t-shirt veut le besoin de notre tête pour keep me warm back on that. But yo, bless man.
Qui te bless.
DJ Bless, bon,
Yeah.
I'm going no pool, but my done. Because I'm gonna call in on your show and drop the name.
Don't forget to tune in next week, next Wednesday. DJ Bless, A-List Kim, What's Hot? Alright?
Or not.
Or what's not hot?
I don't know.
We don't know yet, so we'll see.
But it's time to get up out of here. Thank
get up
God, it's time to get up out of here. Shout outs to the Hot War Radio fam. Shout outs to Team Umway, which is Hot War Radio to an extent. Well, no, we're connected together. We're one big happy family. Shout out to all the artists so far that's been through the show. Once again, Saturday, City Limits. Make sure you guys go online. Dutch Rebel, Tanya
Listen,
DeBarros.
we are giving away
couple tickets.
4 tickets.
Yep. So make sure
if you want a ticket,
call 617-863-2322.
or send us a text. We're gonna take the 5th. Wait, we're gonna give some numbers.
The 4th,
5th,
the 4th, the 2nd and the 4th people person that
we're gonna
call.
give 2 pairs.
Yeah.
I guess it makes sense because nobody want to go by themselves, right? So not by 2 paires tickets. Not the.
We have 1 minute, so second person.
No, well, the line's gonna be open. We can still pick it up. So the 2nd and 4th caller or texter. So you don't have to call. You can actually just text with your name.
Say I want in.
And say I want in. Or you can say elevate.
Elevate.
Why say on a dit elevateur?
Bon. Nous fun fini parce que DJ J-Rock parle avec nos talents.
So we gotta
get
get
set up
out of
live,
here.
so he's about to drop some hot tunes.
Yes.
And I believe a Tuesday night might be his local artist night. I'm not sure, but just stay locked in because with J-Rock you just never know. Make sure y'all tune in. Make sure y'all check out all the shows. Thursday night Firestarter show 8 to 10. The regulars during the day, Island Fire 12 to 2, Vic Smoker 5 to 7. Next week we have a new show with DJ Bless 8 to 10, DJ Touche number 2. I don't know. Shout out to Prince Noble. Sunday 6 p.m. Can you relate? Get on Facebook.
And don't forget Saturdays at 3 p.m. DJ Final Touch.
Yo, I always forget about you.
Workout session.
I always forget. Alright, so we got to get out of here, y'all. See you next week. Sexy Beef, GU, everybody in the building. January 9th, Island Cave, and we out.
Chip.
Paka kite mwale. Say you leaving home, not ready boom kite. Pablo kite. Ba decide, ba donde pas ko paka kiye. Come on baby. Say you leaving home, not ready boom kite. Ba decide, ba donde pas ko paka kiye. Ma femme de Bengole, de Bengole, de Bengole.
It's a brand new one, y'all. Everybody say, let's go.
Yo, c'est Roberto Martino, chef Révolution, Vice Touté à Kapsou. Attendez, Annie Love. Annie Love avec Final Touch. Final Touch. Touch. No. Well, radio. Well. Movie.